Kidney stones are becoming increasingly common, especially after the age of 50. As the body ages, metabolism gradually slows down, hydration habits may change, and kidney function may not be as efficient as it was in earlier years. These natural changes can make it easier for certain minerals and waste substances to accumulate inside the kidneys. Kidney stones develop when minerals such as calcium, oxalate, and uric acid become highly concentrated in the urine and begin to crystallize. Over time, these tiny crystals can stick together and form hard deposits known as kidney stones. While some stones may remain small and pass naturally, larger stones can cause severe discomfort when they move through the urinary tract. Many people do not realize that diet plays a very important role in kidney stone risk. Certain foods may increase the concentration of stone-forming minerals, while other foods may help maintain better mineral balance and support kidney health. Beans are one group of foods that often create confusion. Some people believe beans should be avoided because they contain oxalates. Oxalates are natural compounds that can combine with calcium to form calcium oxalate stones, the most common type of kidney stone. However, modern nutrition research shows that beans also contain magnesium, fiber, and plant compounds called phytates that may actually help protect against stone formation. When beans are prepared properly and eaten as part of a balanced diet, their benefits often outweigh the potential risks. In this video, we will explore 8 beans that may help support kidney health and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation naturally. We will also share a few important preparation tips that can make beans safer and healthier for people concerned about kidney stones. How beans may support kidney health. Beans contain several nutrients that may help support healthy kidney function and reduce some of the factors that contribute to kidney stone formation. One of the most important nutrients in beans is dietary fiber. Fiber supports healthy digestion and helps regulate how minerals are absorbed in the body. When digestion works efficiently, the body is better able to eliminate waste and maintain mineral balance. Beans are also a good source of magnesium. Magnesium may help reduce calcium oxalate crystal formation by preventing calcium from binding with oxalate inside the urinary system. Another benefit of beans is that they provide plant-based protein. Diets that rely heavily on animal protein can increase uric acid levels and may increase kidney stone risk. Plant proteins from beans are generally gentler on the kidneys while still providing essential nutrients. Beans also contain phytates. Although phytates were once considered harmful, research now suggests they may actually help prevent the crystallization of minerals that form kidney stones. When eaten in moderation as part of a balanced diet, beans can contribute to better metabolic balance and kidney health. Preparation tip: the soaking method. Before we discuss the beans themselves, there is an important preparation tip that can make beans healthier for the kidneys. Dried beans contain natural compounds such as oxalates and phytates. While phytates may be protective, oxalates are involved in the formation of calcium oxalate stones. One simple way to reduce oxalate levels is by soaking dried beans overnight before cooking them. When beans are soaked and the soaking water is discarded, some of the oxalates dissolve into the water and are removed. Research suggests soaking beans may reduce oxalate content by roughly 20 to 50% depending on the type of bean. This simple step not only makes beans easier to digest, but may also help make them safer for people concerned about kidney stones. The calcium pairing strategy. Another useful strategy for reducing oxalate absorption is pairing beans with calcium-rich foods. When foods that contain oxalates are eaten together with calcium, the calcium and oxalate bind together in the digestive system. When they bind in the stomach and intestines, they leave the body as waste instead of being absorbed into the bloodstream. This prevents the oxalate from reaching the kidneys where it could otherwise contribute to crystal formation. Examples of calcium pairings include beans with yogurt, beans with cheese, beans with calcium-fortified milk. This simple strategy allows people to enjoy beans while minimizing the potential risk associated with oxalates. Mung beans. Mung beans are often considered one of the gentlest legumes for digestion and may be a good option for individuals concerned about kidney stones. They contain fiber, antioxidants, and beneficial minerals that support metabolic balance and digestion. Because they are relatively easier to digest compared with some other beans, they are commonly used in many traditional diets. Mung beans also contain magnesium, which may help reduce calcium oxalate crystal formation. Their balanced nutrient profile makes them a supportive food for overall health. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are another nutrient-rich legume that may support kidney health. They contain fiber, plant-based protein, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients help regulate fluid balance and support healthy metabolic processes in the body. Chickpeas also support digestive health, which indirectly influences how minerals are processed and eliminated by the body. When included in meals such as salads, soups, or hummus, chickpeas provide valuable nutrients that support overall health. Lentils. Lentils are one of the most nutrient-dense legumes and are widely recommended in balanced diets. They are rich in fiber, magnesium, iron, and plant-based protein. These nutrients help support digestion and metabolic health. Because lentils contain both fiber and magnesium, they may help maintain mineral balance and reduce some of the conditions that contribute to kidney stone formation. Lentils are also easy to cook and can be included in soups, stews, or salads. Navy beans. Navy beans are small white beans that contain a high amount of fiber and important minerals. Their fiber supports digestive health and helps regulate how minerals are absorbed and processed by the body. Navy beans also provide magnesium and potassium, which support electrolyte balance and kidney filtration. When eaten as part of a balanced diet, navy beans may contribute to healthier urinary chemistry. Black beans. Black beans are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and plant-based protein. Their fiber content supports digestive balance and helps regulate the body's metabolic processes. Black beans also contain minerals such as magnesium and potassium that help maintain proper electrolyte balance. However, black beans contain moderate levels of oxalates. For people who are prone to kidney stones, it is best to soak these beans before cooking and pair them with calcium-rich foods. Kidney beans. Kidney beans are another commonly consumed legume that contains fiber, plant protein, and beneficial minerals. Like black beans, kidney beans contain moderate levels of oxalates. Proper preparation methods such as soaking and cooking them thoroughly can help reduce these compounds. Kidney beans also provide magnesium and fiber that support digestion and metabolic balance. When eaten in moderation and prepared properly, kidney beans can be part of a healthy diet. Pinto beans. Pinto beans are widely used in many cuisines and provide fiber, antioxidants, and plant-based protein. Their fiber helps support digestion and regulate mineral balance in the body. Pinto beans also contain important nutrients that support metabolic health and energy production. As with other moderate oxalate beans, soaking and pairing with calcium can help reduce potential risks. White beans. White beans, also known as cannellini beans, are another nutritious legume that may support kidney health. They contain fiber, magnesium, and potassium that help maintain fluid balance and support kidney filtration. White beans also provide antioxidants that help protect body tissues from oxidative stress. When included in balanced meals, they contribute to overall metabolic health. Important lifestyle tips to reduce kidney stone risk. While certain foods may support kidney health, preventing kidney stones usually requires a combination of healthy habits. Staying properly hydrated is one of the most important steps. Drinking enough water helps dilute minerals in the urine and allows the kidneys to flush out waste substances before they crystallize. Reducing excessive salt intake is also important because high sodium intake increases calcium levels in urine. Maintaining a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and plant-based proteins supports healthy metabolic balance. Limiting excessive animal protein may also help reduce kidney stone risk. Kidney stones are a common health concern, particularly after the age of 50, when hydration habits and metabolic balance may change. While beans contain oxalates, they also provide fiber, magnesium, plant protein, and beneficial compounds that may help support kidney health when eaten properly. Beans such as mung beans, chickpeas, lentils, navy beans, black beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, and white beans can be part of a balanced diet when prepared correctly. Simple strategies such as soaking beans before cooking, pairing them with calcium-rich foods, staying well hydrated, and maintaining balanced nutrition can make a significant difference. Protecting kidney health does not usually require extreme changes. Often it is the small daily habits, such as choosing nutritious foods and staying hydrated, that make the greatest difference over time. This information is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Individuals with kidney disease or recurrent kidney stones should consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes.